We have to be close enough to the story to get it right, but far enough away to be objective.
Prav posebej zanimivo razmišljanje se mi je zdelo o tem, da nekaka sredina izginja in da se polariziramo, da smo zelo levi ali pa zelo desni, in njegov način, ki ga predlaga, je, da v bistvu kot katoliški novinarji skušamo čim bolj celovito zgodbo razumeti.
Oftentimes, we're too far away, we miss important elements of the story. Other times, we're so close, we can't see the forest for the trees. I am tremendously impressed with the whole Družine operation. I know sometimes we only know our own little local environment, and you tend to assume that whatever we have here, everybody else must have too. But it just isn't true. There are many parts of the Catholic world that don't have anything like the footprint of Catholic media that you have in Slovenija.
Dragoceno predavanje, ki pa ni bilo klasično predavanje, ampak bila dejansko od začetka ena sama dinamika, eno veselje in pa nove ideje, tako da me je zelo, zelo navdušilo in sem hvaležen za take izkušnje.